This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Bell Park, North Geelong, Victoria 3215. We got a one outdoor unit, and this is a drive-up unit. I'm going to be quick because it's as you can see, there's a drizzle starting already. So what you see on the outside may be slightly damp when it goes in. Okay, so there's a mattress, vacuum cleaner, a hoover, dryer, okay, outdoor set here, and this is all the wall prints. Some of the wall prints are mostly elephant, showing elephant. There is a Asko front loader washing machine. Okay. I'm going to start from the left side. Go all the way in. It's 6 meter deep, 3 meter wide by 3 meter high, and nothing is tested. Once soaked, everything is to be removed. Okay, there's a $250 cash deposit. Okay, I'm going to bring you in. Now there's quite a lot of empty boxes. See the Panasonic there? That box is empty. Okay, there's a chest of drawers here. I think that in the back is also another chest of drawers. Okay, we got very nice old style Victorian, Edwardian or Georgian chairs. Box of DVD here. Okay. It's a recliner. Candle holder, looks old. Service rust. I'll show it to you. I think there's a portable aircon. Most of the boxes in the back are either clothes, cutlery, small knickknacks. Okay. It's a bit messy. In fact, it's quite messy the way it's been stacked. Okay. Another round table there. I think for this table, you got a dining table here, the top, with the glass top. There's no cracks on the glass. Okay, but here's a dining table with the chairs there. And then we got a sofa set with in a tartan design. Okay, and I'm sure, I have a feeling this is either a bar fridge. It looks like a bar fridge. I could be wrong. Right? Okay, straight to you. Because there is the grill here. Okay. This is the other side of it. It's pretty messy. This chair, it's could be a reproduction one, or maybe it's antiques. Have a good look. There's a lot of toiletries, buckets, stationery. Clothing in the background. An Asko there. See the standing lamp. So the lampshade is there. This is a standing lamp here. Panasonic speakers. Looks like the sound system is there. Once again, this is in North Geelong, Victoria 3215. Nothing is tested. Once sold, everything to be removed. Nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, the manager will refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Going back in again for one last look. This is a 6-meter deep unit, 3-meter wide and 3-meter high. Ideally, you should bring someone to help you, and there are plenty of empty boxes around. I saw some empty boxes here. Probably about 10 to 15. Okay, so you'll be driving up here, okay? Driving up right in front of the unit for loading. Okay, thank you for watching.